This is Fletcher. He is a 2-year-old neutered male Flemish giant who would do best in a large space because of his size. He is 12 pounds and will do well in a home with children or other pets. This is Mickey. He is a 3-year-old FIV positive neutered male cat. He can be in a home with other cats, but the other cats also have to be FIV positive. This is Freddy. He is a neutered male 4-year-old FIV positive cat. He can be in a home with other cats, but they also have to be FIV positive. He is very sweet. This is Leo. He is a 3.5-year-old neutered male and is FIV positive. Like Freddy and Mickey, he can be in a home with other FIV positive cats. This is Justice. She can be very moody and would probably be best in a home with kids 13 and up. She is spayed and would not do well with other cats. She is also allergic to plastic. This is Miss Bellum. She is spayed and good with other cats. She is shy at first but sweet as she warms up. Her adoption is sponsored. This is Davina. She is a 4-year-old spayed cat. She would be best in a home without other cats because she would want all the attention for herself. She loves attention and is very sweet. This is Ashton. She is a spayed terrier mix. She isn't available yet, but probably will be soon. She can be a bit shy, but very lovable within a few minutes. Here are Bob and Ross. Bob is a neutered male Yorkie, and he is energetic and friendly. Ross is very sweet and a tiny bit more calm. They have to be adopted together. This is Sam. He is a neutered male, and he is very smart. He is 3 years old and weighs 70 pounds. He would do best in a home with only adults and should be the only pet. This little pup is shy and skittish. They would do best in a calm, quiet home with only adults. They are not available yet.